I try to buy at least one product a day just to like see how people are doing things. And I funnel hack them. And then the ones that I like, I model those concepts in my own funnels. And so the biggest thing is like, don't try to just reinvent the wheel. Like look at the offers that are out there that are successful, the funnels that are working that I might have, or you might have, or other people might have, and look at those and model it. And don't try to reinvent the wheel to say, hey, he had a $200 upsell that sold this kind of a product. I'm going to make a $200 upsell that has my kind of, something for my market. But just looking at what other people are doing and modeling it, because most people have figured out what works. So you don't got to reinvent it. Just figure out how to plug in your products and your services into that framework.